Oh, and welcome back. Today we're in our little Lego studio because there's no real good place to do unboxings out there in the garage. So we're gonna do it here. We have a nice table to set everything out and show you what we got. Before we get started, if you guys want to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for us and turn the bell on, you'll get notified when we post new videos, which on this channel is pretty regular. Now this product I got today is just for some new woodworking stuff I got planned coming up. So we're going to pop it open and show you what we got. Oh yeah, this is the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig K4. Now I've been looking at this thing for a long time, but the price has been up there. They're kind of crazy. I was at Home Depot this morning walking around, looking around, and this sucker was on sale from 100 down to 50. I don't know if that was just my store or you guys' local store. You might want to go check Home Depot out if you're into woodworking, that is. Because my buddy, he bought the little small version. It's just like a little plate, and you clamp that to the side of the piece of wood. It's like a portable version, I guess you want to call it. He bought that one, and been eyeing them ever since. Give you a little look at the box here if anybody cares to see the box. You got some of everything it comes with here on the front, and on the back you have some of the stuff it can do. It's got a little cardboard sleeve there. Oh, nice. Alright. I don't have an overhead camera or anything, so I'll just kind of pull it out and show you everything it comes with. Let's see. Oh wow, that's cool. It comes with little plans for little stuff you could build. I'll have to open that up in a second. Just some screw links, some different screws you can buy. This is just like a online thing where you can go look at some of the videos on how to use it, which I will be doing, and some of the optional little gadgets you can get to go with this stuff. And of course, owner's manual. We'll read that later. I've never used one of these, so this is not going to be a how-to. It's just going to be an unboxing to show you what's in the package. And whenever I do build something here soon, after I finish the bike, we will show you how to work everything. Alright, and the main mamma jamma is that guy. Okay, so it does have your board thicknesses right there on the side. So you can, I imagine you adjust that up or down to whatever size board you got in there. I do know that you clamp your board in here, and then you got your drill bits and stuff that drill down here. Now you don't use no run-of-the-mill drill bit like from your garage. It gives you drill bits. They give you drill bits. Oh, wow. Jeez. Look at all them screws they give you. They give you a ton of screws in that package. Look at that. I like that. Like on the front of the box, it was just like one or two little pile of screws, and I was like, well, that's not a lot of screws. That's a lot of screws. And it gives you a driver bit for the screws. This is a square head. That's what most of the screws will be. Let's see. And it gives you some wood plugs. Now you can buy all these in bulk at, like, I know Home Depot had it, and Lowe's, they do have it as well. So I would like to get one of those Kreg straight line jigs for your skill saw, where you can make really straight line cuts. This is going to be your drill bit. That's a nice drill bit right there. Look at that. It's got like a pilot hole bit, and it steps up to a larger size. That's nice. And you could put it in a regular drill or one of those like impact driver drills with the chuck. Comes with a spacer block, because I'm not too exactly sure what that does. And this little guy here, do not throw that away. You will need that, because my buddy, he used that on his. I guess he forgot to put it on the drill bit, and it drilled too deep. So I know it goes on the drill bit, I just don't know where at on the drill bit. So yeah, that's what reading the instructions will do for us. We're gonna look through this. I'm gonna show you all the bags of screws it comes with. Let's see. We got 1 1/4 inch, 1 inch, 2.5 inch, another 1.25 inch fine thread, and then 1.5 inch soft plywoods. So that's a pretty good bit to get you started. So like I said, all this other screws and these little wood plugs, they're all sold in bulk at Lowe's or Home Depot. So, put all that to the side. I'm going to show you these little plans. That's kind of cool that they give you plans for stuff. This is freaking awesome. It gives you detailed instructions where to drill the pocket holes over here, a cut list, how to assemble it, in what order to assemble it, what tools you'll need. Like, these are all the, and this is the cut list. It has the shopping list, what you'll need to get the project done on everything, on every one of those little projects. That is so awesome. So yeah, I think that's everything that came in the package. I'll definitely have to do a little research on this to figure out what I'm doing. Oh, I bet that's where the little spacer thing goes. Okay, so that spacer block goes on the bottom of that. I'm not too sure why. And that does adjust out. That's what I'm unscrewing, is this little plunger that can get closer to your work surface to clamp it. So you can store the drill bit and the driver on the tray right there. As you can see, I was hoping this thing would come with a case, but just in the box, which that's fine with me. We're gonna get everything all packed up here, and we might go outside and play with this, but that's gonna end it for this video. If you guys have anything, alright guys, we're gonna get everything packed up here, and we're probably gonna go outside and play with this thing for a few minutes, drill a couple holes and see what it can do. But I'm not gonna film all that. Just gonna be kind of experimenting by myself, see if I can figure this thing out for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any tips or tricks on it, let me know down there in the comment section. If you like this video, hit that button and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us. And turn the bell on and you'll get notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.